Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can easily make your TikTok video private to public. Go to your profile page and select this lock tab right here. Select the video or stuff you want to make public, for instance this one. Select the three dots down here and then go to privacy settings. Then you are going to go to who can watch this video and select everyone. Now your TikTok video is public. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!